Throughout history, stories have held the power to captivate, enlighten, and transport audiences to worlds unimagined. Novels, in particular, have been a foundation of great storytelling, inspiring countless films that extend the reach of these narratives from page to screen. The allure of novels lies in their ability to delve deeply into the human experience, crafting intricate characters and complex plots that resonate universally. In today's cinematic landscape, the influence of novels remains a testament to their enduring appeal. The journey from page to screen is one fraught with both challenges and immense opportunities. Classic novels such as Pride and Prejudice, The Great Gatsby, and The Lord of the Rings have been adapted into films that not only honor the source material but also reach new heights of storytelling. These adaptations often face the challenge of condensing extensive narratives into a limited runtime, while striving to maintain the essence of the original. Filmmakers approach this process with varying degrees of fidelity to the text, leading to both triumphs and controversies over the interpretation of the source material. One of the reasons novels translate so well to the big screen is their exploration of universal themes: love, redemption, adventure, and the human condition, which continue to resonate across generations. These themes, coupled with the immersive nature of literary storytelling, allow audiences to connect deeply with characters and their journeys. Films, then, become a bridge that not only introduces these timeless stories to new audiences, but also reinterprets them. The adaptation process is a collaborative art form, requiring the skills of writers, directors, actors, and producers to bring a novel to life on screen. Interviews with authors and filmmakers involved in adaptations reveal insights into the creative process. These conversations often highlight the importance of preserving the spirit of the original work while adapting it into a visually captivating narrative. This balancing act is crucial in ensuring that the film resonates with both fans of the novel and new audiences. The legacy of novel-inspired films is profound, shaping the landscape of both literary and cinematic history. The influence of these adaptations extends beyond mere entertainment. They enrich cultural dialogues and inspire deeper exploration of storytelling mediums. Encouraging audiences to engage with both the novels and their film adaptations offers a multidimensional experience, allowing for a broader understanding and appreciation of the narratives. Whether through the intimacy of reading or the visual spectacle of film, these stories offer a shared experience that continues to define and inspire storytelling for generations to come.